So I was playing Hollow Knight for the 37th time, as you do, waiting for Silk Song, but there is no Silk Song. So I was like, maybe I can make a Hollow Knight sequel myself. Hollow Knight, but top down, in a week. Let's go. Okay, so here's the update on the game so far. So we have the bench, Elder Bug, Light, and Stack Station. No animations on the knight yet, but he can move camera photos. The next clip of the video is taken from my Twitch. You can follow me on Twitch, link in description. Okay, so progress so far. I have the animation, walk animation, and some objects, town area. I don't know how much I showed you in the last clip, but hey, and this stairs, and there will be the well to Dartmouth here. I mean, Forgotten Crossroads. Yeah, I add dust particles now. Man, I don't want to make this a polished game. This is supposed to be a fun project for a week, and like, okay, since Marcy says I must add dust particles now. Before I show you the result, I work on a game called Heilmwater. It's a top-down Zelda-style game with a bunch of Metroidvania elements to it. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more devlogs on. So this is King's Pass. Here's where you spawn. There is the Geo secret area, except that there is no Geo because I haven't coded Geo yet. I kind of like ran out of motivation for doing King's Pass, so this blending is not super nice. But hey, this is King's Pass. Also, I just reused this spike assets instead of like making proper spikes for top down. But yeah, here's the first platform. Kind of different from actual game, but I can make it similar if I wanted to. So here's the jump. Boom. Then this area is a lot more polished compared to King's Pass, and this is the bridge from Dartmouth, from King's Pass to Dartmouth, which was broken in the actual game. But this is like a sequel after the events of Hollow Knight, so everything is fine now. Infection gone, and yeah. So they rebuilt the bridge. Our little knight is from Land of Storms. His hammer is called Stormbringer, and it bonks. Here, let me show you the bonk attack. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Very cool, I know. And the jump is kind of similar. You just jump and then you charge down, and then it glitches, of course. You jump and you charge down with the power of thunder. Anyways, let's go to Dartmouth. So we have our who is this? Sly shop, Elderbug, the bench, a new building, Stack Station, Isabella and Cornefer's house, Myla's house. Then stairs down to Dartmouth's well. Oh, I mean Crossroads well. Do you see the well? I don't, because I haven't added the well yet, because there is no crossroads yet, and there is no Crystal Peaks lift either. No Crystal Peaks. If you want me to work on this and like make it a proper game and like add crossroads and Crystal Peaks to explore, I can like work on it slowly and add areas, because it would be interesting to see how they look in top down. For example, the Crown City, Crystal Peaks Crown. That would look very cool in top down perspective. You know, the Radiance statue and the Pale Orc, that crown. So anyways, if we hit 500 likes on this video, I'll make Crossroads and Crystal Peaks. So please don't do it.